Thank you.
Our next speaker in chambers is Sandy. Sandy, please approach the lectern, and you have 2 minutes to address the supervisors.
Good
We're going
morning.
to be speaking in tandem. Good morning, board. My name is Sandy. We are here. We are coming to you this morning in peace and in our status as we the people to give you notice and instructions so that you and your agents may provide due care. We thank you for agreeing to be servants of the people and for having taken your oaths of office to uphold and defend both our federal and state constitutions. We are handing you 7 envelopes containing property rights notices for all 5 supervisors, the county sheriff, and a copy for the board clerk. This property rights notice has already been given to 50 state governors, to the President of the United States, to the Supreme Court, to the United States Senate, and the United States Congress. We are now giving you a copy. Please take notice the people have studied the constitutions and are aware that the sole purpose of government is to protect individual rights, and that our rights including acquiring, protecting, using, and enjoying our property in all forms. Legislature gets its authority from the written constitutions, which is superior law, and statutes cannot diminish, amend, or supersede the original intent of the trust indenture, the Constitution. Otherwise, they are void ab initio. So, where in the constitutions did the people grant our servants the authority to deprive us of our constitutional rights to property? Where in the constitutions does it say that the people cannot use their own property as they see fit? Where does it say in the constitutions that government can use the people's money for programs that violate their private property rights? My colleague will continue.
And next we have Debbie.
Thank you so much.
Good morning.
I'm Debbie, one of We the People. The United States Constitution guarantees all states a Republican form of government. You, as trustees and servants, have sworn oaths to protect all the people's individual rights. No government entity has authority to interfere with the people using their property rights except through due process of law, which includes the right to require claims of harm supported by sworn testimony and the right to a trial by jury in a court of competent jurisdiction. Finally, it is my wish, order, and demand that you, as servants and trustees, immediately cease and desist all violations of private property rights of the people. If you believe as a government servant any of these claims are untrue, and that you have a constitutional grant of authority to interfere with the people's property rights to acquiring, possessing, enjoying, and protecting their property in all forms, please show constitutional authority where you get that power, posting this granted authority conspicuously on the Sacramento County website homepage within the next 15 days, notifying the public and all agents. If you cannot show where you got the authority and you take any action blocking the people's rights to enjoy their property, then any future actions will be considered as done with malice, intent, full knowledge, and understanding against your trust indenture, your contract with the people. That would be the Constitution. This notice is given in peace and the love of our Almighty God, that you and your agents may provide due care to those who have all the political power, the people. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next speaker is Sabrina.
Good morning. I come in the peace and love of Almighty God, who is one of the people, Sir Jurist, who holds all political power, as expressed in the California Constitution, Article 2, Section 1, and the U.S. Constitution's Amendment 9 and 10. I stand before you today exercising the sacred fundamental right protected by both the U.S. Constitution and the California Constitution, the right to petition the government for redress of grievance. The First Amendment of the United States Constitution guarantees the right of the people to peaceably assemble and to petition the government for redress redress of grievance. Article 1, Section 3 of the California Constitution likewise declares that people have the right to instruct their representatives, petition government for redress of grievance, and assemble freely to consult for the common good. All political power is inherent in the people. As Article 2, Section 1 of the California Constitution states, government is instituted for the protection, security, and benefit. The California Constitution, Article 1, Section 1, makes clear that all the people are by nature free and independent and have inalienable rights. Among these are acquiring, possessing, and protecting property. Maxims of law declare individual liberties are antecedent to all government. The main object of government is the preservation, protection of personal rights, private property, public liberties, and upholding the laws of God. Every man's house is his castle, even through the winds of heavens may blow through it. Government officials cannot enter it. No free man shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property, but by the lawful judgment of his peers and by the law of the land. A usurpation is the exercise of power which another has right to. So tyranny is the exercise of power beyond right, which nobody can have right to. The constitutions are the supreme law of the land. No statute, code, ordinance, administrative action can diminish, supersede our inalienable rights to property. Government possesses only these powers specifically delegated by the people. Any action beyond this delegation is usurpation and an unofficial act. Therefore, I demand that all local government immediately cease and desist from any interference with the people's private property rights without due
Thank you.
process
Your
of
time
law.
is up. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
And our next speaker is Catherine.
Good morning.
Thank you so much. Good morning. I appreciate all of you being here, and I appreciate the positions that you hold. I stand in agreement with my colleagues, as well as representing we, the people of the government, who basically have the rights and the rules that you serve us. We do not serve you. You all signed, if I'm not mistaken, you don't have to show your hands, but one of the requirements for your position was to stand to honor and uphold the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of California. We, the people, ask that you do that you protect our rights, that you stand for us. You do what is best for the people, not for the agendas of those that pay public servants to do their will. We demand that you uphold our rights, that you uphold our protections, and that you stand in favor of what the people desire, which means that we need to have a voice that you will listen to. In the past, you've not listened, and you've not taken actions that are in the benefit of the people of California. And we're asking today, and we're demanding today, that you take a look at what you signed up for, and you uphold what we need done for the benefit of your constituents. Thank you very much.
Thank you.